Hello everyone, Sam is here from myfirstmagicwave.com. Making this a small video about my charts which I made over the weekend and showed in my webinar and what is happening right now. So let's get started here. Just want to make sure that my audio is going out there. Okay, so this is the Aussie index 40-minute chart. I made it on the Friday, after the Friday actually. I made it on Saturday, but putting the Friday dates because the market was closed on Friday. Aussie index, this is how the Elliott wave count, and I said you're gonna drop. These are the diagrams that I made a long time ago about the Elliott wave, how it usually moves, and harmonic patterns. I have all those diagrams made. So according to this is wave 1, 2, and we might be going for wave 3 if I'm right. But even if not, then what will happen is that after this big move, it usually dips a little bit around 23% line. If this is not going down, this is going up, but it's not going to go straight up here from here because this is a big move, need a retracement. So it will come down here. And then at this point, we will decide that if we want to go up or down based on the fundies, right? The fundies are the one who moves the market. So all in all, either it's a retracement or all the way down for wave 3. Okay, it has to come down from there to there, and doing so, what I said that Aussie dollar is going to get strong and it will do what? Aussie dollar going to get weaker and it will do what? Since here two places, like it's a lot of pairs that where Aussie is involved, but these are my favorite pairs. And trust me, you don't want to go playing around with all the pairs at the same time. Just select your best pairs that which you really like and then trade them. So my best are EA and GA. So I said EA and GA will go up and AJ will go down because not only Aussie is on the left hand side, Aussie gets strong, it's going to go down, but yen pair, let me show you the yen chart. I said yen is going to get strong and this will make most yen pairs go down. Okay, yen index is the opposite. So when the index drop, what happened? Yen gets strong. So Aussie yen is the best pair. Why? Because yen is getting strong, Aussie is getting weaker, the imbalance is higher, the bigger, and the move is going to be fast and big. So what did I do? According to that chart here, first chart, I supposed to have EA and GA going up and Aussie index, right? And AJ going down. So Aussie index, let me show you what Aussie index is doing right now quickly. I'm not gonna go over these my Renko charts, but just I will show you simply simple charts, regular maybe 5-minute chart. Oh, come on. Okay, there you go. Okay, Aussie index is not here. Okay, yeah. Look, I made that chart and you can see what's happening right now with Aussie index. I said it's gonna drop and it is dropping. This, let me turn into 15-minute candle and you will see. See, now it start dropping right from there, from the top. And if that's happening, then I supposed to be going long in Euro-Aussie and Pound Aussie using my Magic IB system. Euro-Aussie, here we go. Okay, now playing around with different things, sometimes you get late. So I was late a little bit. I made an entry here. It never hit my SL and it's continued going to the upside. And now I'm probably like 5-6 pip risk sitting. Not a 100% break even, right? If it comes back and it hits my SL, I'll probably lose 5, 6, 7 pips. Compared to when I'm right, you know how far these pair go, right? So let's hope that my SL don't hit, and but so far so good, and I'm right, and they start popping to the upside because Aussie dollar is getting weaker. Now what about Pound Aussie? Here's the Pound Aussie. Okay, it made the move. I didn't make a move earlier, but I waited. And by the way, I opened the Telegram channel for my subscriber yesterday. It's a private channel. Whoever subscribed will be a part of it. So this is how it is, right? This is and then you can see here that I said, pound index is bouncing. This is going to get strong. And then see, I said waiting for GA 20-minute long. and I said to everyone that put the alarm on. I have an alarm. So when wherever I am expecting a long or a short, I put my alarm on so that I don't have to be sitting there watching. And the alarm is there, and as soon as the move starts, the reversal candle and the first blue candle comes, right here somewhere it start beeping, and then when it start beeping, or if I'm 100% sure, I open the trade anyway. So my analysis and everything, I open the trade here, I open the trade Euro-Aussie also, right? Now, yen pairs. I said yen pairs, they will all go down based on this. Most pair, because I was skeptical about the pound, because I was expecting pound may get strong, but so far we have a bad news about the pound, so pound is also weak, and pound yen also went down. Really? Let's go take a look if they all went down. Really, what's happening right now currently, right? USD yen, you see that? It's dropping right now. Pound yen, come on, man, dropping right now, right? Now, oh, this is the index. Okay, I just showed you, right? Yeah, okay, fine. And CAD yen, also I had the chart made, and I was supposed to go short, and I did, and I gave it to my subscriber because it was making a very nice setup as well. Individual pairs were also making a very nice short setups. So CAD yen short, and Aussie yen, according to the Aussie chart, that it will go down. This was my best pair, so I said I made an entry here, I made an entry here. My SL, the first one in my SL is break even plus. Second one I'm gonna move after a little while, and then so this is, you know, I'm already like in 4 or 5 pairs, different places according to my analysis based on these simple charts, right? So and look here, later on I even posted Aussie yen before I took the trade. Let's see, this is what's gonna happen, and let's see if it drops. This is today, right? I posted on January 1st, and I explained the whole thing in AJ. If these are wave 1 and 2, blah blah blah, all of that, that's supposed to drop here, and then I took myself entry. So this is how it is, and this thing will be very helpful for all the subscribers, because on time to time when the setups are ready, and you know, I'll be posting you know, heads up, right? And these charts, so that you can take the trades confidently and learn, right? So this is what's really happening right now, and wow, okay, I'll take it. And it's gonna go probably rest of the night long until unless we have some other news. I don't know. I'll forget about it. I'm gonna check the news later on. So this is how it is, and if you like what you saw, go on my website, subscribe, be a part of it, and if you subscribe, just send me a request for the Telegram channel, and I will send you the link, and you become a part of it, so that you can get not the tweets, you know, obviously heads up, whatever you call it, when I post, you get it. The only thing is that I kept the channel private. Only I can post it. Nobody will post or ask anything, because the last time I opened a room with WhatsApp, and it was a chaos. Everybody was selling things there, and then bringing all kind of you know, indicators and systems, and it was like a flea market of indicators. So I just closed it. I said, forget it, man. You know, this thing, so far so good. I don't know if later on I'm gonna have a problem with it or not, because I'm new to this thing. But it seems very good. Seems very good, and it's working. And what is it? Pound Aussie? Yeah, pretty good. Going nicely. I'm safe here. I'm safe. So you know, this thing is just turning a little bit, but you know, let's see. All right. If it goes somewhere there, you know, 60, 70, 80, 100 pip, yeah, I'll close it. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Like I said, if you want, just go on my website, subscribe, and be a part of it, and learn and trade. I mean, look, you know, it's just one simple trade like that, like Aussie. For example, I said Aussie, and then where is it? The Aussie is going to drop, and you make a short here. You're probably like 50 pips so far, right? It's like 61, 78.60, and now we are at 78.14. So 20 and 45 pip, right? If one standard lot, that's $400. When you subscribe, you pay only $67 a month. This is just one day. You can make this from one trade. When my chart is saying that Aussie yen is going to drop, pound yen, euro yen is going to go up, there's 3 trades right there. And I showed my entry to you, right? Pound Aussie here, see, going up, and it might end up going to like a couple of hundred pips, at least, 100 pip each. So this is how it is. Plan, analysis, plan. I didn't even show you my weekly charts and monthly chart. This is how I do my analysis. Okay, this is how, and everywhere, indexes, all the charts, every single pair, I have my weekly, monthly analysis done. And then I look into 20-minute and 40-minute charts for the direction, the current direction for the day, that day. This is the weekly analysis. It is like for 6 months. But what will happen on a daily basis is important. It just makes waves, right? Up and down and up and down. And now these charts, you can see that this is, I concentrate on which wave we are in right now. Are we going up? If you are going up, it's the A, B, and then C is going to go up. I'm not going to go short until it reaches to 61%, and I can see this completed. Then I will take my chances. This is the risky trade, by the way. The good trades will be coming soon now, later on, according to my analysis, the IB system. Nice little short below these waves. Let me show. What is that? For example, yeah. I mean, these were like. See, this was by the book, but like Aussie yen trade, I took it from here. Okay, early, very early. This is by the book, yeah. Once it goes the other side of the wave, and it comes into the wave, and then it's coming out. I'm late a little bit here, but that's okay. And should be opening a trade right here to go up. All right, so this is it. So this is my alarm here. So once you have the analysis and you're expecting a long, right, and the price went up there, now you need to have the price come down. Like I said, I posted on my Telegram that waiting for GA 20-minute long. So I'm waiting means it went up. It was here when I said I'm waiting, so that I was waiting that it would come down in there, make the setup, this indicator is all the way down, and then start to come out, and I'll open a trade. Okay, so this is how it is. And you can just put the alarm on, go do your chores, watch TV, whatever, and the alarm start beeping. Then you come and see, okay, no problem. And open the trade, put an SL, and then go back and watch TV. And then later on you come and you see and you profit. Doing that, the beauty of it, that if you're wrong, if let's say the price immediately makes the turn and take your SL out, that's 23 to 25 pip loss right there. No big deal, because these pairs, when you are right, they go 100, 150, 200 pip. Okay, so with the system, play with the system, the setup, the system. Be patient. Don't, a lot of people, they buy the system, they get in, but they're still not using the SL, and then I get the email all the time that I'm burned, I'm 300 pip negative. Why? You're sitting 300 negative. If you see that this thing is going the other way, close your losing trade immediately, reverse it. But anyway, so this is how it is. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.